how to care for a wool suit. So most made-to-measure, custom-made suits will be wool or wool blend. Wool does not like to be dry cleaned, so bear that in mind. There is an option for dry cleaning wool. We'll come to that later, but there are several different ways of looking after your suit before you even get to that process. So the first one is buying a clothes brush. A decent clothes brush will have a hard side and a soft side. Using the hard side, you want to be brushing with the nap of the cloth, and you're doing this to brush off dust and loose dirt, dried in mud, if you will. Don't ask me how you've got mud on your suit, but it happens. So anything that will brush off should brush off with your clothes brush. Another thing that this does is the wool will have natural oils in, and very much like brushing your hair, brushing a suit redistributes the oils throughout the cloth, and it helps with the longevity of the material. So that will do probably about 75% of all of your maintenance for your suit. Just brush it and that's all it needs. Next is the spray bottle. This is just water. There's nothing else in, just filtered water. Now, what this is good for is if you have stains that have dried in, that won't brush out, you can give them a spray. You can be very specific about it on different areas. Don't be shy about actually wetting the suit, because you're going to dry it off in this process. And then you can either dab or lift out the stain. Basically, the water here is rehydrating the stain. So whatever it was, it'll be it's gone from dry to rehydrated, more like its natural state when you first encountered the stain, and then you can lift it out with the soft, clean, hopefully lint-free cloth. So if that doesn't work, your next weapon in your arsenal is very mild soap. Wet the cloth, use some soap, the same sort of soap that you'd use on your face. Mild detergent. That mild detergent is going to break up the stain. It's going to, if it's an oil-based stain, it's going to break it up into droplet form, and you'll be able to lift the stain out again, and without resorting to any harsh chemicals or any sort of industrial process. So, clothes brush, spray bottle, and hand soap. Those are the main things that you will need. You often hear people saying, "I'll just take my suit to the cleaners and the dry cleaners and freshen it up." Do not do that. The dry cleaners are a last resort for a custom-made suit. If you do have stains that can't be taken out with any other method, then yes, you might need to go to a specialist cleaner, and even then, they might offer spot cleaning or a less harsh process to do the clean. The next thing you can use to freshen it up is a steamer. Either hang it on the back of the door when you go for a steamy shower or a steamy bath. It just gets the steam into the fibres of the jacket, of the suit, and then allow it to dry naturally. What this does is it basically rehydrates the sweat that's dried in the suit and allows that to dissipate, to evaporate naturally. Again, it's just done by airing it. It allows it to dry naturally, and it doesn't trap that smell into the fibres. You can get steam cabinets and specialist hand garment steamers. They're very good. You probably only need one if you're going to be doing it a lot, but even a steam iron itself, the steam iron that has the button to activate the steam function, hold that and you generate loads of steam and get the steam right into the fibres of the garment, and again let it dry naturally. But if you have a suit coat hanger that has a bigger shoulder to it, then it keeps the shape a lot better for the suit hanging in the wardrobe, rather than a thin one. And please don't use a wire coat hanger to hang your suit. It will misshape it and you'll never get it back right again. If you do need to take your suit to the dry cleaners, as I say, try to use a spot cleaner if they offer that service, or please let them know that your suit is made of wool, and this will allow them to use a much gentler cycle, a gentle process, so that the suit isn't facing the harsh heat and the harsh chemicals of the normal industrial process. So that's it. That's how to look after your suit in a nutshell. If you have any questions, please fire them into the comment section, and let me know. Let me know if you have any particular problems with cleaning your suits.